Hi guys, I'm Rosh and welcome to Signata Design. Please subscribe, comment and like so that I can continue to develop my channel better in the future. If you'd like to make a donation, we are accepting super thanks and donations via PayPal with the link stated in the description. In this video, I'm going to try again to make a comparison video between Twinmotion and D5 Render. I made this video so you can compare two different rendering applications. And in the future, maybe I will make a comparison between the other two rendering software. Here, I've also included the rendering workflow so you can follow the tutorial at once. Okay, first we will make a video rendering on Twinmotion 2023.1. Now, we immediately open Twinmotion 2023.1. After Twinmotion opens, we just close the home screen template because we won't be using any template. Of course, the first thing is that we import 3D into Twinmotion. After that we will immediately edit the material that we will insert into the video rendering scene. Here, I immediately replaced the mirror material. After changing the mirror material, I immediately edited the material on the lamp above the mirror. Here, I turn on the emissive setting. After that, I edited the color temperature and I set it at 8500K. After editing the light material, I switched to the mirror back wall material. Here, I reduced the roughness level on the wall so it has a slightly reflective effect. Next, I made material edits to the furniture and other items, which would later be included in the rendering video. I did most of the setting by reducing the roughness, so the items would be slightly reflective. After I edited all the materials and the items, the next step is for me to add a light above the mirror, so that later the light will be brighter and can add lighting effects to the rendering area. After all the settings for the material are finished, then I create a scene for the video, and I continue to edit the properties starting from the environment, camera, render, FX and resolution. After everything is done, the last thing is of course to export the video render. Here, I will also show you the time I need to render the video on Twinmotion using Path Tracer. Next, I made a D5 render animation workflow. Here, I'm trying to make the same scene as in Twinmotion. First let's input the 3D model. After I input the 3D model, then I make the scene on D5 Render first. Here, as you can see, I made settings on the camera to get the same scene view as Twinmotion. Apart from making settings on the camera, I also adjusted the longitude and latitude as in the previous Twinmotion and also adjusted the exposure time of the sun. I did this while making the video scene. After I finish making the video scene, the next step is to edit the material that will be included in the video scene later. Just like editing material on Twinmotion, I edit mirror material and also edit materials for items that will later be included in the scene. I mostly do this material editing by reducing the roughness level of the material so that it looks more reflective. Next, I also added lighting to the lamp above the mirror so that there is a light effect on the lamp. The next step, after everything is done, I do a finishing edit on the effect in D5 Render before exporting. After it's finished, I export it with 2K resolution to get the same resolution as in the previous Twinmotion renderer animation video. And here are the results of both video animations using Twinmotion and D5 Render. Which one do you like between the two render video results? Please comment in the comments column below. Okay, that's all my video rendering animation comparison from me. See you in the next video. Ciao!